Hello friends, in today's video, we are going to compare Motorola G42 versus Motorola G52 with full specifications like display, design, performance, Antutu benchmarks, and price, and are going to know which is the best smartphone for you. So friends, please watch the entire video and let us know your thoughts in the comments section. Let's start with a display comparison. In a comparison of screen size, Motorola G42 has a 6.4 inches screen, while the Motorola G52 has a 6.6 inches screen. If you look at the display type, Motorola G42 comes with an AMOLED display, while the Motorola G52 comes with a P-OLED display. In the resolution, both phones comes with a Full HD Plus resolution. Motorola G42 has a 411 pixels density, while the Motorola G52 has 399 pixels. In the aspect ratio, both the phones are equally comes with a 20:9 ratio. In a comparison of screen to body ratio, Motorola G42 has 83.9% and Motorola G52 has 86.9%. In a refresh rate comparison, Motorola G42 supports only 60 Hz higher refresh rate, while the Motorola G52 supports up to 90 Hz higher refresh rate. Friends, let's make a design comparison between these two phones. Looking at these two phones' physical height, Motorola G42 has 160.6 mm, while the Motorola G52 has 160.9 mm. Motorola G42 has 73.4 mm in the width, while the Motorola G52 has 74.4 mm width. Motorola G42 has 8.2 mm in the thickness, while the Motorola G52 has 7.9 mm. Looking at these two phones' weight, Motorola G42 has 174.5 grams, while the Motorola G52 has 169 grams. If you look at the colors of these two phones, Motorola G42 comes with two different colors, and the Motorola G52 also comes with two different colors. Friends, now let us compare about the camera and its features. Motorola G42 has a triple camera setup, including a 50 megapixels primary lens, an 8 megapixels ultra-wide camera, and a 2 megapixels macro camera. And the Motorola G52 also has a triple camera setup, with a 50 megapixels primary lens, an 8 megapixels ultra-wide camera, and a 2 megapixels macro camera. If you look at the video resolution of these phones, both these phones supports Full HD resolution at 30 fps. In a comparison of front camera, Motorola G42 comes with a 16 megapixel selfie camera with a Full HD video resolution at 30 fps, and the Motorola G52 also comes with a 16 megapixel selfie camera with a Full HD video resolution at 30 fps. Now let's compare the hardware between these two phones. Looking at the processor of both phones, Motorola G42 comes with a Snapdragon 680 chipset, and the Motorola G52 also comes with a Snapdragon 680 chipset. In a CPU comparison, Motorola G42 supports up to octa-core 2.4 GHz clock speed, and the Motorola G52 also supports up to octa-core 2.4 GHz clock speed. In the GPU comparison, Motorola G42 comes with an Adreno 610 GPU, and the Motorola G52 also comes with an Adreno 610 GPU. Let's compare the operating system. Both these phones comes with a stock Android-based Android 12 operating system. Friends, let's compare the storage between these two phones. Motorola G42 comes with a single variant, 4GB RAM with 64GB storage, while the Motorola G52 comes with two variants, 4GB RAM with 64GB storage, and 6GB RAM with 128GB storage. Both these phones comes with the memory card slot. Friends, let's compare the battery between these two phones. The battery capacity in Motorola G42 is 5000 mAh, and in the Motorola G52 also has 5000 mAh. Motorola G42 supports 20 watts fast charge, while the Motorola G52 supports 33 watts fast charge. Now let's compare the rest of the connectivity and features in these phones. Both these phones comes with an USB Type-C port. Both these phones comes with a 3.5mm audio jack. Both these phones comes with the NFC support. Both these phones doesn't have an IR blaster. Both these phones doesn't support 5G network. Both these phones comes with a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. Both these phones comes with a Bluetooth 5.0 version. Friends, let's take a look on the benchmark score of these two phones. In a ANTUTU benchmark score comparison, Motorola G42 has scored 243,481, while the Motorola G52 has scored 266,309. Now let's compare price. If you look at the Motorola G42, the 4GB 64GB variant is priced at 13,999 rupees. Motorola G52, the 4GB 64GB variant is priced at 14,499 rupees, and 6GB 128GB variant is priced at 16,499 rupees. Friends, please like this video, and subscribe my channel for more smartphone comparison videos.